title, the crown above the city. They called themselves the Circuit, three friends who had nothing but each other, a dream, and the streets of Neon City under their feet. Jay, the strategist with the electric purple hair, could break into any system with just his mind. Cairo, silent but unshakable, had the heart of a lion and the soul of a protector. Tay, the loud one in the hat, was the spark that kept them laughing even when hope flickered. They weren't born heroes. They were born overlooked, ignored, counted out. Until one night, when the city's digital crown, a symbol of control over all tech, was left unguarded. Instead of stealing it for themselves, they freed it for everyone. They became legends, not because they wanted power, but because they gave it back. In a world where everyone fights to rule, they chose to rise together, never alone. Rise with your crew. The Circuit lives.